everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is by this brand right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to kind of speed this video up so that you can see me put this together and everything, and then I'll show you exactly what it looks like and what exactly it is, but let's get right into this. So this is the user manual to it, and it's going to tell you step by step on how exactly to put it together. You can see, so I'm going to start doing that. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing. You pretty much repeat this step with 5 and 6. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what to do after I'm done with all that. Okay, so now I got these put together. So it's 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and then all the middle bars are 2s, and then you use A's. And now we're going to get these together, and we're going to do B's along with 1 and 1, which are these right here. Yes. Okay, so once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. My suggestion is when you're putting these on, just make sure that these lines line up, because if you use that one on this side, it's not going to work. Just make sure that these both line up, because these are farther spaced than these. And then after that, I'm going to be putting this rounded thing together, and it tells you step by step. I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera just because it's going to take me some time, but you can see it just shows you step by step how to do it. It's pretty easy. Everything's numbered, and you're just going to use the A bolts. You'll put the 10 in the middle, 11s right there, and then you'll put the 8s, and then just these two rounded things. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you're done, you'll have something that looks like that. And then the last part, I'm going to be gritting this rock climbing part, and it has holes on this side. And it looks like you want to make sure that this part is facing just like this. And then you're just going to screw these on all 4 corners, just like that, and then just screw them on. Okay, now I'm going to finish doing this to the rest of them, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so for the extra parts, you did have an extra bolt, and then you want to keep these in case you want to fold up that ladder, because you do have to take the bolts off in order to do that. And then to put this together, you're just going to push this out like this. You'll push this. You'll go up like this. And as you can see, it has these little curves on these little, on this part right here. So something like that, and then they'll be able to crawl and everything on it and just have fun. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like with my son using it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.